Lisa here with Epson Labelworks. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to import a spreadsheet using the label editor software for Mac. Now today I happen to be using the LWPX 900, but note that these steps will be the same for any of the Labelworks PX printers that are compatible with the label editor software for Mac. Let's launch the label editor software for Mac. First, let's set our label parameters. We're going to click on the icon here, the printer icon. Make sure our printer is selected and the tape size matches what you have in your printer. You can hit the refresh wheel to read the tape. Now, to get into import mode, we're going to scroll over to the spreadsheet icon here. And we're going to select import printing. It'll ask if you want to switch. We'll go ahead and say yes. Perfect. Now you'll see that it's going to bring up a blank spreadsheet. If you wanted to enter the information here into the program, you can do that, but let's save the time and let's import one already created. I'm going to go over to the side and click on the download button and browse my computer to the spreadsheet I've already saved. Note, when you're importing spreadsheets, you want them to be in CSV, delimited format. Here's the spreadsheet I need, and click open. The label editor software will ask you to confirm a little bit of information about your spreadsheet if your first row is a header or data and the comma delimited. Click OK or Done. Now it's loaded our spreadsheet. So now all we have to do is pull the information from our spreadsheet onto the label, and we can pick and choose what information we want and where we want it. Let's start with column A. I'm going to move my cursor to the top of the column and click. I'm going to select Insert Object. Now you'll notice here it just gives me a snapshot of the information, and over on the right hand side I have the option for text, or I can change this column to a barcode or a QR code. I want this first column to be a QR code. So I'm going to select that from the drop down. Again, confirm the QR code parameters that I want and click Done. Now the label editor software is automatically going to put that QR code on your label, but you can size it and move it around wherever it fits best for your application. All right, let's go to our next column. Again, we're going to click on the top of the column, select Insert Object, and this one I want to be standard text, so I'm going to just click Done. Again, size it and move it where you want it on the label. Let's go to the next option. Again, Insert Object. This one's going to be text. Okay. So now the spreadsheet is going to take any of the information in the rows underneath those columns and pre-format them into the spots that I've designated. All of column A will be the QR code that I created, etc. Let's go ahead and push print. Now if you want to print the entire spreadsheet, go ahead and just push print here. But if you want to pick and choose which ones you want, or you only want to print a selection from them, click on the area on the preprint screen that says click here to select print area. Once you click on print area, it will load a list of all of the labels included in that spreadsheet. So you can scroll through picking and choosing whichever ones you want. Check the boxes for the one that you want to print, and when you're ready, simply tap Done. Okay, and when you're ready, push print. That's how easy it is to import and print from a spreadsheet in the label editor software for Mac. If you have questions on this software or want to chat about your labeling needs, our local support team is here to help. Thanks again, and happy labeling!